Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign, and today we will understand chapter 4 sourcing and pricing, and topic is 4R strategy. So we already aware that there are 4R in the supply chain management, which is the four strategic rights. Okay, so this you can see on the screen: right time, right price, right product, and right customer. Okay, so this is the strategy of revenue management, 4R. Okay, so for the managing of the revenue, we need to understand this 4R for making a 4R strategy. So what is the R? R is the right, okay? So pricing involves the redefining pricing strategy, developing discipline pricing tactic. Okay, so here pricing is the process of strategy and developing of the discipline pricing tactic. Okay, so here you need to understand where analyzing the market competitors. Okay, and you need to pricing the product in such a way that product can available in the reasonable price on the market. The value created for the customer are anticipate and then specific price to be captured, that value are set. Okay, so here the value, reasonable value for any product which anticipate means that the product is satisfying the customer in right way. It means that the specific price of capture to value are set. So that point you can say that is the price of goods are set. Sometimes it's may higher, but for example, Parle-G biscuits price are the same before 10 year, which is 5 rupees. Okay, and now still the 5 rupees. So this is the value set. Okay, this is called value set of the product. Okay, so these products are very important. A company may decide to price against their competitors or even their own product, but the most value comes from pricing strategy closely follow market condition and demand. Okay, some company may decide that pricing is based on the computer. That computer, our competitors is taking uh, price for the one packet biscuit is 10 rupees. So we try to reduce this the 8 rupees in the same quantity. Okay, so this may be the options to reduce with the competitors, but mostly strategy is developed. It's depend on the market conditions. Okay, market condition and demand. What is the market is asking? Just like the demand is very high, then you need to manage the all strategy regarding the managing the goods. The pricing strategy dictates what a company wants to do. Okay, so pricing strategy explain that what you need to want to do company the objective like how profits and other scenario. Pricing tactic determine how company actually capture the value. Okay, so in this tactic, the pricing process determine that company how is taking that the company is actually capture the value of the product. Okay, price optimization involve the constantly optimization multiple variables price sensitive price ratio. So here you need to understand the optimization in the pricing of the product is the constantly depend on the variables which are the sensitivity price ratio. So these are the 4R strategy of the revenue management where you need to check out right time, right price, and right product and right customer. So these are the strategy regarding that 4R strategy. Now, inventory, if you talk about inventory, the price or allocation of capacity is fixed in inventory management. Okay, so there are some factors which are the fixed, which cannot be changed. How we can manage the pricing of the supply chain management? So some elements are fixed and some are variable. So that inventory management pricing is the fixed. Okay, just like storing the goods at any locations of this warehouses, we need to pay charges for the keeping the inventory of that location in warehouses. So this may vary. This is the fixed inventory and pricing is the fixed. Okay, so you cannot change here that this factor which influence the storing. Okay, so discount of product can increase the volume. Okay, so if you storing the product in the warehouses and giving discount at that time by lowering price, that it means that company can overcome. It will be difficult because that you are paying charges extra at the storing and still discounting product. Okay, so here value will increase. Okay, discounting the product increase the volume. By lowering prices on the product, company can overcome weak demand, gain market share, which ultimately increase the revenue so long as each product sell or more than its margin cost. Okay, so when demand is strong for the product, what the threat is cancellation looms. Firm often overlook in order to maximize revenue of the capacity. So you can understand in the management of the right time, right price, that you need to understand what you can fixing the right price for the product because some supply chain warehousing and this factor are the fixed for paying charges regarding storing and all the supply management. Okay, so in which factor you will manage this price of product? So this is the very sensitive matter where you need to understand price ratio and price sensitivities. So guys, in this session we have tried to understand that what is the 4R strategy. So this is the chapter 4 in which we have tried to understand sourcing and pricing. So guys, we are going to end this session here. Thank you for watching the session. Have a nice day.